For defining remaining terms in gear terminology, we will be using this animation. In this animation, two gears in mesh are shown. What you see here is a common normal at the point of contact between the two gear teeth. And if you look at the point of contact, you will find it travels all along the common normal. Let's define path of contact. Definition number 24, for which we will have to identify beginning of engagement between the gear tooth and end of the engagement. Look at this animation closely and you will find that the beginning of engagement takes place at this point and the end of engagement takes place at this point. Let's name these points as K and L respectively. So now path of contact is the path traced by point of contact from beginning of engagement to the end of the engagement. Definition number 25, length of path of contact. To define length of path of contact, we will have to identify where exactly beginning of engagement and end of engagement takes place, for which we will draw addendum circles for both the gears in mesh. This one is the addendum circle for this gear and this one is the addendum circle for this gear. Once again, if we look closely, we will find beginning of engagement is the point where common normal drawn at the point of contact is cut by the addendum circle of this gear, and end of engagement is that point where the same common normal is cut by addendum circle of this gear. So length of path of contact KL is the length of the common normal cut by addendum circles of both meshing gears. Definition number 26, length of path of approach. To define length of path of approach, let's draw pitch circle and show pitch point P like this. The pitch point P once again comes along the common normal between the points K and L. In fact, it divides distance KL, that is length of path of contact, into two portions, KP and PL. Portion KP is called as length of path of approach and it is the portion of length of path of contact from beginning of engagement to the pitch point. Similarly, length of path of recess is the portion of length of path of contact from pitch point to the end of the engagement. So KP is length of path of approach and PL is length of path of recess. Definition number 28 is arc of contact. To define arc of contact, consider a point A on the circumference of the pitch circle when beginning of engagement takes place. As the point of contact travels along the common normal from K to L, let us say this point A turns along the circumference of the pitch circle from A to B and thus traces an arc. This arc is called as arc of contact. So, path traced by a point on pitch circle from beginning of engagement to the end of the engagement is called as arc of contact. Once again, pitch point divides the arc of contact into two portions, arc AP and arc PB. Arc AP is arc of approach and arc PB is arc of recess. So, arc of approach is the portion of arc of contact from beginning of engagement to the pitch point, and arc of recess is the portion of arc of contact from pitch point to the end of the engagement. That is definition number 30th. With this, we complete the gear terminology.